What really attracted me to Cincinnati was its location in the city and its proximity to Fortune 500 companies and major Midwestern law firms that have a significant footprint in Ohio and across the Midwest.
Great place to be a young person, great place to go to school.
I think that Cincinnati honestly sells itself. If you look at any lists that have come out recently, Cincinnati is so up and coming.
I call it a little big city. Came from New York City to Cincinnati, so I still got the big city feel when I want to, but also feel like I've got my college campus and all the resources that I would have at a university here as well.
We also have many major law firms as well as the Sixth Circuit Court here, which offers students opportunities to not only work for judges, work in firms, but also to observe cases.
It's a really nice place for a young professional to network and find interesting things to do.
I've come to the city and I've been able to branch out and meet lots of new professionals.
I would call this a destination law school because of the resources and the opportunities that are available here.
I chose UC Law because of the Urban Morgan Institute, which is one of the top human rights institutes in the world.
And as a part of that, I spent my first summer in Columbia, in the capital city, working at a human rights think tank.
The Weaver Fellowship of Law and Psychiatry really stood out to me.
And the Innocence Project here at Cincinnati is one of the more renowned ones across the country.
I'm interning in the legal department for Fifth Third Bank.
I am the executive editor of the Freedom Center Journal.
I'm a program assistant for the Center for Race, Gender, and Social Justice.
This summer I had the unique opportunity to serve as a judicial extern at the Supreme Court of Ohio for Chief Justice O'Connor.
Moot court has been a great opportunity for me. It's allowed me to really increase my oral advocacy skills, and I got to even go out to Seattle last year and compete with the ABA.
Yeah, so I'm involved with the Corporate Law Center, which is a really cool program. It gives me the opportunity to, first of all, just kind of get out into the corporate legal world. It's been an awesome networking opportunity. I've met Supreme Court justices, I've met CLOs, chief legal officers of Fortune 500 companies.
Working with 6 different startup companies and helping them with their business needs as they arose.
When I was in Washington, D.C. this past summer, I interned with the General Counsel of the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. And it was really great to see decision-making, policy-making, and litigation from the national level.
We're part of a big university, but as a very small law school, you've got that one-on-one time with your peers, with your professors.
The faculty has definitely exceeded my expectations.
They're all super accessible. You kind of hear about the Socratic method when you're looking at law schools and you're worried everybody's going to be intimidating. They're all brilliant, they all know what they're doing, but at the same time, they're all willing to help.
And they want to see you succeed, they want to talk to you, they want to help you get internships, they want to help you get jobs.
I've always felt that my faculty cares so much about me and that the education that I'm getting is worth everything that I'm putting in.
The Center for Professional Development is great. They check in, they make sure you're looking for jobs, make sure that you're talking to attorneys and building connections.
There are ample opportunities to study with other students. Not only are other students helpful for each other, lend each other notes, often form independent study groups.
It's a community. When you come here, you're going to have the entire support of every single person, whether it's your fellow classmates, the faculty, the admissions staff, the rest of the campus. Everybody's behind you. Everybody wants you to succeed.
The community itself is really strong. It's almost like family.
The quality of life as a law student, you do have to work hard, but I would describe this as a work hard, play hard school. It is a very collegial atmosphere. The students were for each other. We do things together. We celebrate our wins.
Cincinnati is unique. We've got this really forward-thinking institution, law school, in which people come from all over the place. And for that reason, I think a lot of people like myself choose to come here.
I can't imagine another school where you get as much bang for your buck as you do at UC. It is a small, rigorous academic community that still has all the resources and assets of a renowned Midwestern university, and will give you a fantastic education and preparation for a lifelong practice in law.